Hi there! In this video, we will show how to create a new Virto Commerce module using templates for .NET New. This feature allows you to create a Virto Commerce module with a pre-configured entity, simplifying the development and integration of new components.
There are several templates available, each designed for different use cases. DBA XAPI generates a Virto Commerce module with both DB agnostic and XAPI support. DBA creates a module with DB agnostic support, making it flexible across different database implementations. XAPI provides a module with XAPI support, enabling API-based communication. CRUD generates all necessary classes for CRUD operations, simplifying data management.
Let's create My Orders module based on DBA XAPI template. In PowerShell, we simply run a command specifying the used template, the created module name, the author, and the company name. The module is created instantly. It contains all the ready-to-use entities, including all necessary methods and properties. Let's generate the classes for CRUD operations within the My Orders module using the CRUD template. Run a command with the target module and company name. This command instantly creates all the required classes for managing entities in the My Orders module. The generated files include ready-to-use methods and properties, simplifying data management and reducing development time. By using these templates, you can quickly set up a Virto Commerce module with a standardized structure, reducing manual effort and ensuring consistency across projects. If you have any questions, please refer to our documentation or contact support. The links are appended to the description of this video.